For unbeatable towing capacity, family-style seating, and an intuitive infotainment system, no one brings the muscle like the 2021 Dodge Durango here at Northland, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. With new headlamps, an updated grille, spoiler, and powerful V8 engine, the Dodge Durango displays the look and feel that makes it stand alone. The Durango is the Dodge family SUV, offering seating capacity for up to 7 passengers, with a handsome steering wheel, dashboard features, as well as a 10-inch configurable home screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated navigation, and Amazon Alexa capability. So come take a test drive with me, Kenny Thomas Jr. and the 2021 Dodge Durango here at Northland, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram.